everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. I know usually I try to like spread them out a little bit, but I had an idea and I just had to film it for you guys because it's like you have to get it out of your system and like just do it and see how it's actually gonna look. So this is what I had in mind and this is what I created for you guys for today's video. I used my Ultimate Edit palette by NYX again. That's what I mean by I should have spread them out, but I really had to film this video and see how it went. So this is why I already have another makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys have been liking my colorful looks. Let me know down below if you guys like them, if you want me to do more. I really want to know. I just want to know if you guys are fed up or should I continue to do them. That's pretty much it. So if you guys want to stick around and see how I created this makeup look, just stick around and watch the video, guys.
Okay, so let's just get started. So sorry for my hair, but this is how it goes. So I'm using the Ultimate Edit palette by NYX in Phoenix. So first I'm going to use the third shade and a big blending brush just to put on my crease. So this is going to be our transition color as usual, the same color I used in my last tutorial. If you guys want to see it, will be linked down below, of course. So we're just going to blend. You don't have to be super harsh, but just blend it in the crease so it looks pretty good. So the next color we're gonna use is the fourth shade, the really like bright pink, and I'm gonna use a smaller blending brush. So I'm really gonna put it in the outer corner and really deep in the crease. This part is like the most important part because I find it's really, the crease has to be like really well blended, so really take your time. That's why I'm using two brushes. The pink one is really to pack on the color and the purple one is to make sure everything is well blended. And also I'm using my big blending brush on the outer edge just to make sure, of course, again, that everything is well blended. So you want to do the same thing to the other eye and take your time. Honestly, there's no rush. So again, the pink brush is mostly to like really pack on the color. I found this brush really packed on the color really well. So after that, I'm gonna cut my crease. The first part of cutting my crease, for this part, I'm cutting my crease like pretty high than what I usually do. You guys know I cut my crease a bit lower than this, but we're gonna do a double cut crease today. So yeah, that's why I'm cutting my crease pretty high, so I have room to cut my crease again a bit later. So take your time. That's why I looked up to make sure to know where I wanted to cut my crease first. So I'm gonna use a angle brush, actually a packing brush, and I'm gonna use that yellow color. I'm gonna put that yellow shade on top, and I'm really gonna pack it on. You don't have to put it all the way down because, like I said, we're gonna cut the crease again. So really just pack it on like on the top part of your cut crease. So next, here I'm cutting my crease again. So here I'm gonna cut my crease where I usually cut my crease, so a bit lower. You guys seen me cut my crease like a lot of times. So that's really what I'm doing. It's pretty easy because you already have a base. So you just get a small brush and just line it up. And I'm gonna use a second shade and use the same brush I used with the yellow shade just to pack it on. And just want to pack it on wherever you cut your crease. And this is gonna create our double cut crease. So here I'm just using the same brush to blend the outer corner with the lid color, so everything looks really nice. So it does not look all, I don't know how to say that, but you want everything to look blended all well together. And I'm also going back and forth with my smaller blending brush, and I'm putting a little bit more of that pink color. So next I did a bit of eyeliner. You don't have to, honestly. My eyeliner is just so that I have a base when I put fake lashes on. You're gonna see it's pretty thin anyways. So next you can just take off your tape And I did my base off camera. I'm gonna link down below a tutorial for you guys. I've really been doing my base the same way I've been doing it like before, so nothing really changed, so it's gonna be linked down below. For my lower lash line, I'm using an angle brush, and I'm using that 4th shade, that really bright pink, and you just want to smoke out your lower lash line with that shade all the way to like the 2/3 of your eye. And then in the inner corner, I'm gonna use that pink shadow, and you really want to pack it on. I use a different brush, but the same kind of brush to pack it on. Next, I'm putting just a little bit of mascara. By the way, all the name of the products I'm using in this tutorial is going to be linked. It's going to be mentioned down below. So if you guys want to know exactly what I use, you just look down below in the description box. Here I'm just doing my hair because my hair was looking a mess. I'm just going to do like a super high bun, a sleek bun. My hair is like pretty freshy relaxed in here, so it's pretty easy for me to do a bun. And also I have a tutorial on how I do my bun, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll try to link it down below if I can find it for you guys. So that's it for the hair really. So I'm just slicking it like all to be perfect. So for my highlight, I'm using my Topaz by Becca. I love using this one as a base, but I don't really like the color, that's why I use it as a base for my other highlighters. So I'm using a really big blending brush. I've been using this brush because it's blending my highlight really well lately, so that's why I'm using this one lately. That's why I'm showing you this one. So I just want to put it on my nose and my cheeks mostly. For my second highlight, I'm using the Nicole Guerriero palette. I'm using the shade Daydream. I'm just gonna put it on top just because it had a bit of like orange color. I thought it would go well with the eyeshadow look. And I'm just using the same brush again. It doesn't matter. And that's pretty much it, guys.
Okay guys, this is how I created the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys can see, I'm glowing and glowing, and I could actually add a bit more highlight, but I think that's enough honestly. So this is what it looks like up close. You can see that. It's beautiful. It's glowing. It's spring. It's lovely. Just let me know down below if you guys like it. Like I said in my intro, I just want to know if you guys are fed up with the colorful looks or not. Maybe not. I don't know. Just let me know. And yeah, in the video, I kind of cut like my lip combo. It's gonna be written down below what I use for my lips, so you guys know what I used. Because I tried a bunch of different lip combos, and this is the one that stick around, but I didn't film it, believe it or not. Whatever, because my camera just kind of cut off, and then I was like whatever. So I'm just gonna mention down below what it is that I have on my lips. And yeah, so you guys should go and check it out. And that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this glowy spring makeup look. I don't know how I'm gonna call it. So I just want to mention again, thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, so I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. And anyways, honestly, even if you guys are not into colorful look, I'll just do less because I'm on a roll, man. Like, I like my videos.